First, I want to say that you don't have to see your unipili as a separate part of you. So in this way, you can, it is up to you if talk, explain or not. Sometimes it is useful not only for unipili, but also for you, for your conscious mind, what bother you, what hurt you. This is to make clarity for yourself first, not only for unipili, but for yourself. So sometimes it's useful to make explicit what hurt you. Other times, maybe just if you have anything, a feeling that you want to let go without thinking too much, you can do also just straight use any cleaning tool. So both ways are correct. Just doing, you will understand what works better for you in a moment and in another moment. I have to say that as for my experience, first you need to clean about the past. And when I say cleaning, I mean also healing the past. So how to heal the past, just taking care of yourself, just to respect yourself, just to do whatever you have not done in the past. Any healing process begins with taking care and respect yourself. So start to say I love you to yourself, whatever happened in the past. Maybe embrace yourself or stroke yourself. It's so much important to manifest love to yourself and take your time. And when you do that, of course, you are on the way to heal the past. And I'm sure that you will find a job that respects you. But first, you have to respect yourself. And so the first step is that.